It was a long process. Obviously, there's no shortage of applicants, and we had to go through each one of them. But during this course, Pep was actually in the office while we were searching for our next TV. He didn't come to apply, but through a conversation that day, we just realized that he actually had the background, he has the big educational formation that he has, which we sorely lack. He's a professional licensed coach at a very young age, very much passionate, willing to work with the new management of PFF. I think he found this opportunity very interesting as well, because we're starting from pretty much scratch.
Football is a passion that unites people, and Philippines is a country of passion, is a country of potential, and a country of determination. And for me, it's a big pleasure to serve as a technical director for this Filipino Football Federation, and especially I want to be thankful to Vince for his view and his trust, and especially his view because in football most of the times the decisions are taken based on the needs of the today or the needs of yesterday, and not so often the decisions are taken thinking on the benefit of the people who will be here in the next 15 or 20 years. But it's the responsibility of the FAs to work for a better football environment, for a better football culture, or a better place and a space